Let me show you how to find the City of Laredo's check register information online and an example of how you can explore the check register information in Excel. Go to openlaredo.com, which takes you to our Open Data portal. Click on Financial Transparency. Then click on City of Laredo Check Register. Click on Check Register All. You can add different filters by clicking here. You can also download this information and open it in a spreadsheet like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. Let's download one of these fiscal years and open it in Excel. Let's say we want to know how many different vendors are listed here. If you're using Excel 2016 or later, you can click on this Data tab and then click on From Table, Range. Click OK. Then right-click on the vendor name column. Select Remove Other Columns. Right-click again and remove duplicates. Now go to the Transform tab and select Count Rows. And there is the total count of different vendors listed. We can rename this if we'd like. And if we want to save this, we click on Close and Load. As you can see, we now have this new tab with the total number of vendors listed. And here on this tab is our original information. And that's how you can find the City of Laredo's check register information online and an example of how to explore that information in Excel.